Hey guys! Okay, so today I want to show you guys how I normally tie my hair up in wraps. I usually either use vintage scarves, bandanas I find at the thrift store, or knot wraps from Lush Cosmetics, not sponsored. I worked there for like 5 or 6 years and have accumulated a lot of wraps from Lush. And the reason for that is they are made out of recycled materials, recycled plastic bottles. This is a smaller one, so it's only made out of, I think, one plastic bottle, but they normally make larger ones, and those are the ones I typically use for like the really big bows and stuff when I tie my hair. This one's a little bit smaller, as you can see. Okay, so now that you guys at home have your scarves, you just want to go ahead and grab it from corner to corner, and then we create this beautiful triangle. All we do is fold it in half, and then what you want to do is about 1 inch or so. If it's a bigger scarf, you can go about 2 or 3 inches to really cover a lot more hair in the back, and then you just kind of fold it down. You can either roll it or fold it. You just want to make sure that it stays tight, so that way it looks better in the hair and a little bit more stylized and less messy. Okay, so when you're done folding the end, you just want to hold that bad boy with your hands and place this at the base of the neck and bring the arms around to the top like this. Okay, so now that you have your bandana or wrap placed where you like it to go, you just go ahead and secure the top. Today I'm just going to go ahead and tie it in a simple knot, nothing special. If I had a bandana or wrap with a larger space or larger material, I would typically create a nice big bow, but as you see, we are working with a smaller material here, so it's just a cute little knot today. Now that we have the wrap tightly placed, we're going to take a couple bobby pins. I typically only like to use about 4. I don't like to overdo it with the clips and the bobby pins. So what we do is we just go ahead and anchor them. Two on each side, just as so. Thanks again for watching my video, guys. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them below in the comments section. If there's anything else you guys would like to see from me, also leave that. I'm always looking for feedback. You guys are the best.